Welcome to our guide on the 12 best muscle-building foods for seniors. As many of you may already know, once we cross this age, our muscle mass and strength tend to decline. Muscles become weaker and start shrinking, a condition known as sarcopenia. But the important thing to understand is that after 50, it's not just about maintaining muscle. It's crucial to try and rebuild and strengthen it too. While regular exercise is always recommended to maintain muscle strength, we know it's not always feasible for everyone. Many people in their 50s and older either don't have the time or physical capacity to commit to exercise. That's why in this video, our focus is on foods, specific types of nutrition that naturally help strengthen and increase muscle mass. There are three important criteria when choosing such foods. First, they must be easy to digest since digestion tends to weaken with age. Second, they should support heart health because after 50, cardiovascular health becomes a major priority. Third, they must be effective in supporting muscle growth and strength. Let's begin with eggs. Eggs are one of the most powerful foods for muscle building. Not only are they easy to digest, but they also contain high-quality protein, especially an amino acid called leucine, which plays a key role in muscle repair and growth. Another great advantage of eggs is their availability. They're easy to find and affordable. Ideally, try to consume eggs from free-range or grass-fed chickens for the best quality. Cook them with minimal oil, either lightly fry or boil them. You can also add them to various dishes. Next is Greek yogurt. This is different from regular yogurt because it's strained to remove most of the whey and lactose, making it higher in protein and lower in sugar. This makes it ideal for older adults who may have lactose intolerance or want to avoid sugar. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that improve gut health. A healthy gut supports overall digestion and immunity, and also indirectly benefits muscle health. The third food is cottage cheese, which is similar to paneer. If you can't find cottage cheese, paneer is a suitable alternative. Cottage cheese contains a specific type of protein called casein, which digests slowly. This means it releases amino acids gradually into your bloodstream, especially helpful at night to prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep. Regular consumption of cottage cheese can significantly reduce overnight muscle loss. Fourth on the list is chicken breast, especially recommended by fitness professionals and dietitians. Chicken breast is an excellent source of lean protein, meaning it's high in protein and low in fat. It helps build and strengthen muscles without burdening the body with excess fat. This is especially important for daily physical tasks, where muscle strength plays a vital role. For those who are vegetarian or avoid meat due to personal choice or health concerns, plant-based proteins such as lentils and chickpeas are excellent alternatives. They are rich in high-quality protein and fiber. The fiber not only supports digestive health, but also helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels, important for aging individuals. These foods also promote gut health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Another amazing plant-based source of protein is tofu, a staple in Japanese cuisine made from soybeans. Tofu contains complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids that our body cannot produce on its own. It also includes phytonutrients, which help reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. For vegetarians, tofu and soy products are incredibly beneficial for maintaining strong muscles. Next, let's talk about fatty fish, especially salmon. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation in the body, including muscles. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to muscle loss, so reducing it helps preserve and rebuild muscle. In addition, salmon contains high-quality protein that promotes muscle synthesis and recovery. It's highly recommended for people over 50 to eat salmon or similar fatty fish at least twice a week. Then there are nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These are rich in both protein and healthy fats. They provide sustained energy, support heart health, and help in muscle repair and growth. Including a handful of these in your daily diet can significantly improve overall health and muscle performance. People often ask about quinoa and brown rice. These are better alternatives to white rice. While white rice is stripped of nutrients, quinoa and brown rice contain complex carbohydrates and protein. Complex carbs release energy slowly, which is helpful during physical activities and prevents energy crashes. These grains provide consistent fuel to the body, making them ideal for older adults. Milk and plant-based milks like soy milk or almond milk are also important. They contain calcium, vitamin D, and protein, which not only strengthen bones but also support muscle health. For those who are lactose intolerant or allergic to dairy, soy milk and almond milk are excellent substitutes that offer similar benefits. Another valuable addition is protein shakes, especially those with whey protein or plant-based protein. These shakes are not only easy to consume but also helpful for those who may have dental issues or poor appetite, which are common in older adults. They help meet daily protein requirements and assist in muscle recovery and maintenance. Lastly, let's not forget leafy green vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and kale. These are rich in antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber. They help reduce inflammation, support gut health, and also provide nutrients that indirectly support muscle function. Moreover, by reducing chronic inflammation, they also lower the risk of conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. So these are the 12 superfoods that can significantly support muscle mass and strength in people over the age of 50. If you're 50 or older or someone in your family falls in that age group, share your experience in the comments. Let us know what types of foods you find helpful, what your doctor recommends, or any personal tips that have worked for you. Your input can be valuable for others. If you found this video useful, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss future updates. And of course, if you think this information could help someone, don't hesitate to share it.